In this video, I'll show you how to create journal entries in QuickBooks Online using the new interface so you can record adjustments or special transactions that don't come from invoices or bank feeds while keeping your reports accurate. Begin from the dashboard by clicking the New button and selecting Journal Entry. Then review or change the journal date so it reflects when the transaction actually occurred, because timing affects financial statements. On each line, choose the correct account and enter amounts in the debit or credit column depending on how you want the balance to change, adding clear descriptions to make future reviews easier. Use additional lines to include every related account, and always confirm that total debits equal total credits before saving, since unbalanced entries cannot be recorded. Adding a short memo or attachment can also improve audit clarity and reduce confusion later. Subscribe for simple tech tutorials and honest software walkthroughs every week.